Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss a bit about electrolysis. Imekuwa ni topic ambayo ni changamoto sana. But we are going to learn this in a very simple trick. So starting by this term electrolysis, ukiweza kuangalia kwenye hii sentence hapa, kuna terminology mbili. We have this one which is called electro and the last one which is called lysis. So the first one which is electro maana yake ni electric current. Electric current. So it's the use of electric current ndo maana ya electro. Also we have this term which is called lysis. Lysis maana yake ni splitting or to decompose. Just to break down. So that is all about lysis, splitting or to decompose or to break down. But electro means electric current. So tunaweza tukasema kwamba electrolysis maana yake ni ku break down substance fulani kwa kutumia electric current or to split substance by using electric current or to decompose any substance by using current. That is all about electrolysis. So we can define electrolysis is the use of electric current to decompose a certain substance, or the use of electric current to split a substance, or the use of electric current to break down a given substance. Hebu tujaribu kuangalia jinsi gani hizi reactions zinatokea. Generally kwenye chemistry tunazo aina mbili za reaction. Tuna baadhi ya reaction tunaziita spontaneous reaction, lakini pia tuna baadhi ya reaction tunaziita non-spontaneous reaction. So starting by spontaneous reaction. Mfano, when you take hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas, the end product of this reaction, it is water. So for this reaction, ukiweza ku calculate oxidation number, you will find that oxidation number for neutral atoms siku zote huwa ni 0. And combined element oxidation number zao huwa ni 0 0. But for this one, oxidation number hapa ni +1. This one it is -2. So ukiweza kuangalia, you will find that hydrogen amefanya oxidation, maana yake ame lose electrons during the reaction. It's okay. Lakini pia hydrogen oxygen yeye amefanya reduction, and reduction means gaining of electron. So ame gain electron kwenye reaction, but this one hydrogen yeye may lose electron kwenye hiyo reaction yao. And in fact this reaction it is true kwa sababu oxygen ana high electronegativity value kubwa ukikompare na hydrogen. Kwa kwenye reaction lazima oxygen aweze ku attract zile bonding electrons toward itself. Kwa hii reaction ambazo zinaweza zikatokea without any conditions, hizo ndo tunaziita spontaneous reaction, are those reactions that occur without any conditions. And this reaction is very possible due to different in electronegativity between hydrogen and oxygen. So obvious oxygen attract electron and then reaction itaweza kuwezekana. Another example is, chukua mfano umechukua water, ndani ya water ukaweza kudissolve sodium chloride. Sodium chloride ukidissolve kwenye water, you will find that you get ions of sodium and ions of chlorine. So once you find the oxidation number, you will find that sodium undergo oxidation and chlorine undergo reduction, which means gain of electron. But sodium undergo oxidation, which means loss of electron. Of course, hii reaction inaweza kufanyika tu kwa sababu chlorine ana high electronegativity value ukicompare na sodium. So sodium will attract the bonding electrons toward itself. So this reaction occurs by its own. So this type of reaction that occur without any conditions tunaziita spontaneous reaction. But also we have type 2, which is called non-spontaneous reaction. Hizi ni reaction ambazo haziwezi kutokea mpaka uweze kuziwekea condition fulani. Mfano, ukisema sodium chloride, decomposition of sodium chloride, saying to get sodium and chlorine gas. Kiuhalisia hii reaction haiwezekani. Kwa sababu gani? Once you find the oxidation number for sodium and chlorine, you will find here it is +1 and this one it is -1. And here it is 0, 0. So tuweza kuona kwamba sodium wameundergo reduction. Reduction, which means gain of electron. Gain of electron. Also, you will find that chlorine undergo oxidation, which means loss of electron. Loss of electron. So kiuhalisia hii reaction haiwezi kufanyika kwa sababu chlorine ana high electronegativity value. Maana yake ana uwezo mkubwa wa kuweza kuattract electrons. Kwa hiyo tuko tunategemea yeye kwenye reaction ndio ataweza kugain electron na sodium ataweza kulose. Lakini kimefanyika kinyume kwamba sodium amegain, yani maana yake amevuta electrons kutoka kwa chlorine. So in actual sense this reaction will never occur. Haiwezi katokea hii reaction. So this type of reaction ambazo haziwezi kufanyika bila lazima uziweke condition fulani. This is what we call non-spontaneous reaction. But under certain conditions this reaction can occur. Mfano, ukitumia umeme such as battery. This is battery which is a source of current. So kwenye battery kuna positive part pamoja na negative part. So ukichukua solution ya sodium chloride ukidissolve kwenye water and then ukatumia kile kifaa kinachoitwa ukafanya setup ya electrolytic cell, you will find that this reaction will occur. Why? Itatokea kwa sababu umetumia current. So kwenye current such as battery huwa na source mbili, ina positive terminal pamoja na negative terminal. So the function of this positive terminal it is to attract electrons. Hii positive terminal inamsaidia sodium kuweza kuvuta electron zitoke kwa chlorine zije upande wa sodium. So the function of this positive terminal it is to pull electrons from chlorine, and the function of this negative terminal of the battery just to push electrons toward the sodium ion. Nitakuja kutengeneza video ambayo inaonyesha mechanism yake inavyofanyika. So ukitaka uweze kufanya reaction ya sodium chloride uweze kuobtain sodium pamoja na chlorine ndani ya maabara, you have to use current or you have to use battery. So this battery will help to drive this non-spontaneous reaction. So electrolysis is the use of electric current to drive a non-spontaneous reaction. Unatumia umeme kuweza kuforce reaction ambayo isingeweza kutokea bila kuweza kuziwekea hizo conditions. So that is all about electrolysis. So electrolysis, we say that is the use of electric current to drive a non-spontaneous reaction, or the use of electric current to decompose a certain substance. It's the use of electric current to split certain substance. This reaction, it is non-spontaneous reaction due to the difference in electronegativity. Sodium chlorine lazima angeweza kugain electron, lakini haijafanyika hivyo. Kwa sasa ili uweze kuipindua hii reaction, you have to use some conditions such as electric current. So electrolysis is the use of electric current to cause chemical reaction. That decomposition, it is chemical reaction. So you have to use electric current to cause that reaction to occur. Or the use of electric current to drive a non-spontaneous reaction. Tumeweza kuona kwamba hii reaction isingeweza kufanyika. Kwa kama haiwezi kufanyika yenyewe tunaita non-spontaneous reaction. Lakini baada ya kuweka umeme iliweza kufanyika. So electrolysis is the use of electric current to drive a non-spontaneous reaction, or electrolysis is the use of electric current to cause chemical reaction. But don't forget that electrolysis is done in a special apparatus which is called electrolytic cell. So electrolytic cell is a device in which electrolysis is going to be conducted. So electrolysis most of time it used batteries. And battery, it has got the positive terminal and the negative terminal. So the function of the positive terminal is just to attract the electrons, and the function of the negative terminal is just to push the electrons. So this was part 1 of electrolysis. Don't plan to miss part 2 of electrolysis. Thank you so much.